Vikings, it's Miss Hawkins, one of your heads of house. The student leadership kids are going to explain the point of houses, who your heads of house are, where you'll find the scoreboard, how to earn house points, the prizes that you'll get for earning house points, and overall, who to ask for help. So here are the leadership kids.
The point of houses. The point of houses are to motivation to do things in order to earn points. Participating, doing the Viking 6, doing what is expected for better communication. In order to earn points, prizes, you have to earn points.
Point of houses. The houses are for the school to get together and to make the school a better place, and also students could get along and to respect other people and improve relationships with teachers and students. There are 4 head of houses, and every advisory teacher, including their students, will be in one of the houses. You can earn house points by participating in any event, and staff can also earn house points too. There will be prizes if you get the most house points.
Hey Trainer Vikings, in case you haven't heard, the heads of houses are Miss Virgil, Miss Dugan, Miss Rosa, and Miss Hawkins. The scoreboard will be hanging above the office and will be updated every Friday after school.
Hey Trainer Vikings, this is a way how you can earn points for your house. For one, using the Viking 6 by using your voice and by being confident and speaking out for others. And using integrity by doing the right thing even when no one's looking. And being kind by just doing the right things for others. And having independence for yourself to participate in sports and to talk to your groups. And being nurturing is to be positive to yourself and others. And gratitude is saying thank you to your teachers when giving papers or anything. And that's how you can earn trainer bucks, and by following the Viking 6.
The house with the most points at the end will win a trophy and use your trainer bucks to buy something from the trainer store.
This is who to ask for help. If you have any questions or need help, ask your house leader, Miss Hawkins, Miss Virgil, Miss Lucy, or Miss Rosa. If you can't reach them, you can always ask your advisory teacher.
Now, friends, to reiterate, the whole point of houses is to make our school better by building a stronger community and stronger students. Your heads of houses are me, Miss Virgil, Miss Lucy, and Miss Rosas. You can earn house points by following the Viking 6, by being awesome students, by joining clubs and activities and sports, by going to sports games, and by participating in the school climate and dress up days. Your prizes are things that you can buy in the trainer store, and at the end of the year, the team that wins earns a trophy. And ask your head of house or your advisory teacher if you need help. Have a great day. We will see you together with your houses this afternoon. Go Vikings!